Yo, what's up? It's Saturday, so we're gonna take a look at the trades I took last week. But I did not take any setups cause no, just no entries were given. But we're gonna take a look at the trades I was looking into and yeah, what happened. So first we had gold with this resistance break retest, and to be honest, this was definitely like very nice entry at like psychological level of 5-1. Yeah, maybe stop loss around here and like that. But now what I'm looking for, and I'll be lucky if it like plays out like this. We have this demand zone right here, this resistance, and I'll just be entering right here with a very tight stop loss because there is some war stuff going on, geopolitical, that could push off gold, and it might just not give an entry. It will just do this. And then we had GBP and ZD, which there was an entry right here. I have set on the low time frame, but the 4 hour was bullish, so I was waiting for it to. So I did not enter here, and I waited for it to shift bearish, which it did right here. And I looked for an entry somewhere in this retracement and also here, but there was just no entries on the lower time frame. But they did play it out nicely. Then we have GP Cat, which did went quite high, and it turned bullish on the 4 hour right here. So I had to wait again for it to turn bearish right here. And I just did not get the retracement I was waiting for, maybe to the 50 MA. Then look for an entry on lower time frame. There was some entries right here, but it just never gave an entry, so I didn't enter. And I'm happy I didn't, because my stop loss would be around here and I would have got stopped out. Then we have GBP which I did not took as well, because simply there was no entry. This is just 4 hour. Okay, so I had this, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, so it didn't even broke through the zone, that's the thing. So this is definitely a setup I'll be looking for in the next week. Then Euro GBP, yeah, never came back to the zone. I mean, it did here, but I had a weekly AOI of this, and that just simply did not came back. Euro AUD, weekly AOI again. Yeah, there were two. Got this and this. So it did manage to break through like Thursday, and yeah, again no entries, no entry on the low time frame. So I stayed out, but there is maybe something like this that I will consider getting into if it pushes off, came back, retest of this support and then entry, maybe. But I don't really like this double bottom. Then we have ADO NZT, which simply did not retrace into the zone. I mean, wait, this is Friday, Sunday. Okay, so right here, yeah, this is where I marked this out, and it just did not came back into the zone. So I'll still have this marked up and look for it in the next week. And that's, I think, everything. And And yeah, tomorrow I'll do the analysis and trades I'm looking for in the next week. So see you all tomorrow.